All right, you guys, so this is the after. Okay, so this is where I'll be cooking, recording, facing frontwards to y'all so y'all can finally see me in all my videos. That's the refrigerator, self-explanatory. This is the island, which I'm excited about. This is my amazing cutting board that I'm not going to use. I'm going to use it for pictures because it's just too nice. This was gifted to me by one of my favorite subscribers and friend. This is the counter space in the back. Still using that plastic bucket for a fruit bowl. As you can see, I'm already cooking dinner. This is the stove. The chicken just got out the oven. I know someone's probably interested. This is my spice. Lemon zest, cilantro, salt, pepper. That's it. Oven, 430 minutes. 350, 30 minutes, 430 minutes. That's it. And yep, just quick and easy. A lot of cabinet space. But again, like I said, I'm just happy to have this island right here. So I'm excited. Bam. I'm on my way. I'm coming, y'all. Give me a second. I'll be there.